Here we have another beautiful van, 2012 Chevy Express Explorer high top conversion van, 9-passenger, limited SE, 49,000 original miles, clean Carfax, gorgeous, gorgeous van. Well accompanied with leather interior, TV, DVD, gorgeous limo lighting throughout, 49,000 original miles, clean Carfax, clean auto check, clean Florida title. Give us a call, 954-561-2499. You could text or call us to that number. This is a 9-passenger Explorer Limited SE, rear folding bed, gorgeous, gorgeous van, 49,000 original miles. We search high and low for vans like this. Beautiful van. It's got fat tires, laser straight down the sides, very nice. 6.0 liter V8, beautiful, beautiful van. Top's in good shape, laser straight down the sides. I'll give you the tour. Give us a call, 954-561-2499. You could text us to that number as well. You could also visit us on our website at suprememotorsusa.com or suprememotorsusa.net for this gorgeous Explorer. It's got the rear folding bed, gorgeous leather inside throughout, flat screen TV, DVD system, camera system. It has an all-time camera that's on while you're driving. Gorgeous dark charcoal gray interior, leather wrapped everywhere, embroidered seats, carpets in excellent shape. It's got the power folding bed, slides, and also reclines. Got all your headsets.
The same substance that Mr. Flynn suggested.
Beautiful, beautiful van. Give you the tour. Bed lays out nice. This van is all there. 49,000 original miles. Give us a call, 954-561-2499. If you have any questions or concerns, we are happy to help. Ask for Jeff or Ken. Visit us, suprememotorsusa.com. 9-passenger Chevy Express. Gorgeous. White, dark charcoal gray. Beautiful wood grain accents. Heated front seats. All your DVD.
To be another dead end.
The TV's on if you hear something in the background.
As the investigation
gorgeous leather seating in excellent shape throughout. You can see it's got the 6 captain chairs and the rear folding bed. All in great shape. Got your headrest.
North as well.
Storage cabinets everywhere. I mean, this van is beautiful. Cup holders. You got your blinds. This thing is road trip ready. Fly in, drive this van across country, stay safe from the coronavirus. This thing is awesome, inside and out. There's your Jensen flat screen TV.
Mike Russell agreed to meet with agents.
You got all your outlets, ports for everything here. Gorgeous, gorgeous van. The wood grain interior, 49,000 original miles.
Robert and his
beautiful, beautiful van. This is a 3500 series as well. This is a 1-ton heavy duty. You can tow anything with this van. It's beautiful, ready to roll. Tires are fat Dynapros, hand cook. Just a call, 954-561-2499 if you have any questions or concerns. 2012 Chevy Express high top conversion van, 9-passenger. Just trying to be clear and show you everything inside and out. Take you to the driver's side here. Gorgeous door panels, wood grain. All the wood is in excellent shape. The seats are like new, 49,000 miles. I mean, it smells good. There's no smoke. Very nice vehicle. It has an all-time camera that is on all the time. So backup and all-time. So you can see behind you when you're on the road anytime. Full-time camera system. The van is running, as you can see, 49,955 miles. Beautiful, beautiful condition. Tough to find these 9-passenger vans. You got heated seats in the front. Super duper nice van, fully loaded. Give us a call, 954-561-2499 if you have any questions. We're happy to help at any time. Beautiful inside and out. Top's in good shape. There's hardly a mark on it. In excellent condition. We're happy to help at any time. We will price this van to sell, so don't hesitate to call, text, or email us anytime. We take trades. Give us a call, 954-561-2499. Thank you.